If you need to recover your VPN account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the VPN website. Go to the official VPN website using your web browser. Look for the login section to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Select alternative recovery options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions provided for the alternative recovery method you selected. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or answering security questions to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your VPN account successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the VPN customer support for further assistance.